How to make ruffled headband. In today's tutorial, we want to make ruffled headband using Alice band. You're welcome once again. Let's get started. We are going to need a satin fabric or any fabric of your choice, and then the Alice band. You can use the big one or the small size. For the measurements, we are going to measure length of 45 to 50 inches. So 50 inches is okay, or it will make the ruffle more fuller. And then the width, I'm using 8 inches width. 8 inches width. Now you want to bring your fabric like this. We are going to fold it, but let's put this one aside. Okay, we are going to sew ½ inch, but let's concentrate on the Alice band. We are going to cut a fabric for it. Okay, so the Alice band I'm using is the 1 inch on, and then the fabric we are going to use it to wrap. Cut 60 inches length fabric by 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. We want to put this one also down and take the big fabric, and then we are going to shape. You see, the ½ inch is what I'm using the tailor's chalk to mark for you. Fold the Alice band into 2 again this way. You see, at the end of it, you are going to take 6 inches at the side, and then the bottom of it you are going to leave 2 inches opening. So you connect from where the 2 inches is to the 6 inches that you took from the side. The Alice band, the side or the down part of it is more slightly or smaller than the middle part. That's why we shape the end of the fabric this way. Now we are going to our sewing machine to sew the ½ inch all round. After sewing, we are turning the fabric into its right side. After we've turned the fabric into its right side, we are wrapping the Alice band finally. So make your hot glue gun ready. Make sure your glue gun is very hot, and then fold ½ inch inside one side of the 60 inches fabric we took or we cut. That would hide the rough edges inside. Then fetch small glue on the tip of the Alice band this way. Then you begin to wrap it all around. So check it. It is only at the tip that I use glue. Okay, the remaining parts you can decide to wrap it very well without the use of the glue. So here I am, as when I turn it, I make sure I am taking it, pushing the ½ inch inside to prevent the rough edges to show. So that's the main reason why we are doing that. Okay, you don't want that rough edges to show on your work. We will continue that way so we get to the end of it. When we get to the other end of the Alice band, please fold the other end to ½ inch inside to make that place also smooth. Okay, if not, your finishing will not be nice or professional. So look at it. I am going to fold ½ inch inside. Look, I'm bringing it up so that I'll get a finished look as we started with. So look at it, pushing ½ inch inside on both sides. First small glue on the tip of it too, then wrap it. I'm wrapping it. Be careful at this part. So bring out your scissors and cut off the excess. We are done. Cut off the excess. Let me wrap it one more time, and then the cutting of the excess will be finally done. So the tip, let me bring it up for you to see. But note, we have different ways to wrap headband. Okay, maybe in our next tutorial I'll teach you in another way that we do it. Okay, so but this is one of the simplest one anyone who is now starting to do headbands can. So we are done, and then please, we want to put a ruffled on top of the Alice band. So to get the ruffled, okay, we are going to measure 15 inches length to get or insert it in the main fabric, and then the width is 1.5 inches. With the help of a safety pin, just put it at one tip of the measurement that we just took, the 15 inches by 1.5 inches. Then you just position your main fabric well, then you start inserting it. When you insert it, bring out pin to hold the other side of it. If not, that it will come out from the main fabric. So I'm securing it at the end and then continue with my ruffle. When I get to this part, the end of it, I'm going to put one pin also there, go to the machine and sew on top of it, sew the other end too. So let me show you. I'm done sewing it, you see, so that the inserts or fabric we insert will not come out. So now you see where the line is. We are going to put that place on top of the Alice band. So here, mark 2 inches at the tip of your Alice band like this. That place would not, that place, the ruffled will not be there. Okay, take note. So after I've measured my 2 inches, how are we going to insert it? Fold the sew edges inside, hide it inside at the back where you are going to face it on the Alice band. Yes, and then fetch small hot glue to put it together, hold it together this way. After doing that, now we are going to put it exactly on where we mark the 2 inches. Okay, so look at it. Bring out your glue and then fetch it, put it at the tip. Yes, exactly where the 2 inches is. Then you put it, the edge on it. Now that we have built this foundation, we are going to continue that way. You check and position it how you want it before you add your glue. The glue should be at the middle part of the Alice band so that it will not make your work dirty. Please check what I'm doing. You see how I fetch it, and I'm going to align it at the middle of my Alice band as I position it with my other hand. Okay, look at it. Then I'll hold it, make sure that it holds the glue together with the headband. So check it out. I'm going to continue. As I'm continuing, I'm checking so that the other end of the 2 inches will, the ruffled will get to that exact place too, for a nice balance. Okay, not that the other one is short and then that this place is long. Everything has to be balanced. So as I got to the middle part, the same thing, I push my hand on it to make sure that the Alice band has hold the ruffle together, so the glue does all the magic. To get to the end, repeat the same method for it. Okay, as we started, fold the sew edge, use your glue to hold it together and push the edge inside or face it on the Alice band. So here is it. Bring out your hot glue and then put it on exactly where the 2 inches ends. Where we have gotten to, if you didn't understand something, let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section. So here we have put in the other side sew on top. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Kindly use your hand to remove all the stains of the glue on your work and package it or wear it to church anyway. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.